Today you will be taking your Lesson 8 assessment, Unit 8 assessment. It is on Lesson 8-9, Day 1. So please go to that on your online screen, and I'm going to be walking you through how to take the test. Once you get to Lesson 8-9, Day 1, just a minute here. See if there we go. You will see this screen right here. Well, here we go. Lesson 8-9, Day 1. Sorry. We're going to get going here. In the middle, you will push this star check mark that says Unit 8 assessment. You've done this before, hopefully, so you know what to do, but I'm just going to walk you briefly through it. Once you push on that, you will get this first question that says make a dot on these different locations, a dot on 4 1/2, 3 3/4, and 5 1/4 on this ruler. You are going to take this dot and move it. So on A, you're going to find 4 1/2. On the B, you're going to find 3 3/4. And C, you're going to find 5 1/4. And you're going to take this dot and move it to the right location on this ruler. Once you've done that, you are going to save it and move on to the next screen. Then you're going to say this number 2, if you are online, you cannot do number 2. So I would just say skip it and go on to the next one because it says you need to use a printed page. So if you don't have a printed page, you cannot do number 2. So then we're going to move on to screen 3. And there it says write a helper fact and use it to help you solve. So you are going to push on that, type in your number, and then the fact I use, type on there. You can take your pencil down here, click on it and write on the fact that you use to help you. And again, fill all these in and then save and move on to screen 4. Then again, you are going to click on this, type in your answer. Click on this, type in your answer, and so forth. All of these, you need to type in your answer and then save and move on. And again, same thing here. You're going to type in record your factor pairs to make the sentence true. So something times something is 16. Something times something is 24. Something times something is 40. So type in your answer and stick it in here. Save before you go to the next screen. In screen 6, again, you are going to, this time you're going to put a letter, and then you're going to tell what your letter stands for, and then you're going to write your number model right here. Again, you can use this to type in your answer or write your answer in down here. And then once you're done, you save and move on. Now, yesterday you should have had a review for all this. So you were told step by step what to do. It's the same format, just different numbers. This is a factor bingo game mat. You draw a 5 card, circle at least 2 products with a factor of 5. So which one of these could be the answer? 5 times something, this could be the answer. And you have to pick at least 2. If you want to pick more, that's fine, but you take this circle and move it, and circle and put the circle around at least two of them that could be the answer for the factor of 5. Save and go on. And then here, explain why the shape in this picture is a rectangular prism. So at this point, you can either take your pencil and draw and write your answer, or you can take a type, and since it's going to be kind of long, it's up to you, but you could type your answer here too. So you could either type, or you could use a drawing to draw your answer, but you need to explain why this shape is a rectangular prism. Okay, there you go. That's how you take the test. Hope you do well. Oh, push save and submit when you're done.